If you are looking for the best belt sander, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular, WEN 6502 with cast iron base. WEN 6502 belt sander with cast iron base is a brilliant 2-in-1 sanding machine that offers not only a 4x36-inch belt, but also a 6x6-inch disc belt and will tilt from 0 to 90 degrees. The cast iron base will prevent heavy vibrations. The 4.3 amp motor offers 3,600 RPM, which is more than enough power to sand and smooth. A tension release lever allows for a quick and simple change to sandpaper grit. The dust port is 2.5 inches. Attach your dust collector to the port and keep your workspace clear of dust and debris as possible. Number 2, Makita 9403 with cloth dust bag. This offers not only great power and speed, but is one of the quietest on the market today, putting out an incredibly low 84 decibels. The Makita 9403 belt sander with cloth dust bag is efficient in stock removal, featuring an 11 amp motor with electronic speed control, which will maintain a constant speed. It features a replaceable ceramic wear plate and a low profile which offers a great balance. Double insulation and labyrinth construction seals the motor and bearings, keeping them free of contamination, making this a very durable belt sander perfect for commercial use. Number 3, Metabo HPT belt sander. The Metabo HPT SB8V2 is a very powerful belt sander that is well suited for sanding all kinds of surfaces. It weighs an even 9 pounds and comes with an elastomer grip surface on both the handles. It has a 9 amp motor that delivers a lot of torque for a machine this size. The Metabo belt sander HPT SB8V2 features a clear plastic cover on the front which allows you to keep an eye on the belt position. The belt tracking knob lets you adjust the position depending on the application. Number 4, TACKLIFE 3x18-inch belt sander. This is a TACKLIFE classic, and it boasts all of the industry standards that you expect to find in sanders that cost 2 times more. The TACKLIFE Classic is powered by a 5 amp motor. This belt sander has the ability to reach multiple speeds at the turn of a dial. It boasts a total of 6 different speeds. The belt itself rotates at over 14 feet per second. TACKLIFE fitted this tool with a lock-in switch, which makes for a less stressful sanding experience by allowing you to keep the device in motion. Number 5, BLACK+DECKER belt sander. This is a great belt sander that will allow you to reach even the most inaccessible corners, as well as being lightweight and compact. The front roller of the BLACK+DECKER will allow you to get into even the tightest corners. It offers a 6 amp motor that is powerful enough to tackle most projects. For superb control, the dragster offers a retractable 3-position handle. This allows you to change your paper out quickly and easily with a belt release lever and adjustment knob, which also ensures that the belt will remain in the correct position.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.